Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's LTC Missy here, coming at you with a new video going over RoboForex. And before I was going over our trading opportunity, which I am still with that copy trading account, LightInvest, and I want to go over what has happened with that account. But before I do so, you should have had the opportunity to read over the disclaimer at the beginning of this video. If not, please go back and read that so you can understand what's going on here on this channel. So with that said, let's get into this video. Now, RoboForex is a regulated broker. Excuse me, I'm still trying to get rid of this cough from being sick with the flu. So, RoboForex does have restrictions to regions, and you can see those regions here is USA, Canada, Australia, Bonaire, Brazil, Curacao, East Timor, Indonesia, Iran. You can see all those lists right here of all the countries and regions that's restricted. No, don't worry. If you want to get in with the legit Forex opportunity, I do have a private Forex opportunity that's available for everyone to join. And they also using a regulated broker. If you want more information on that, you feel free to join my Facebook or Telegram groups for free. And you can get in contact with me directly asking for that private Forex opportunity. They're doing very good, very transparent. You always have access to your funds as well. Of course, drawdown can't affect what you can be able to withdraw depending on what you're trying to withdraw. All right. But anyways, let's continue on with here. RoboForex has launched a new referral program called the Infinity program. Excuse me. So this right here is going to allow people who use their referral link to grow a team or downline to be able to participate in more referral commissions. So you got the payments to the partners up to 85% of the average spread plus 20% from the swap fees. Okay, so and it says how much can you earn. So if someone the payout per lot was $8.80 on USDT and the average spread was 1.3 pips, the swap long is negative 0.96 pips, and then you got the swap short of 0.1 pips. So if you was to have a closed position or lots of 1,000 and open overnight, you can get overall income per day of 10,720 USDT, right? Or US dollars. All right, but let's adjust this number right here, right? So let's say that the closed positions or lots, let's say that you do 93, and also over here just 93. And let's say, pretty much this right here is like on a weekly basis, right? You can end up getting like almost $1,000 per week. All right. And, so it shows you what you can get from the spread commission right along with the swap fees as well combined. So let's say that you don't even get 93 pips or closed lots for the week. Let's say 50. And let's put 50 over here. It just depends on how many people that you have in your downline. Excuse me. You can look at $536 per week. Okay, so but let's show what the daily amount. So normally when you look at lot sizes and everything like that, let's keep it more simplistic here. Let's say that you do 5 lots. 5 lots here. You're looking at $53.60 per day. And you come over, you can play around with this calculator and everything like that to figure out what it is that you can possibly get. They also have it to where you can change it to the D40. You got US Tech, Gold USD, which Gold USD is higher than your USD. The DEX 40, US Tech, is very volatile. And you got like the Brent, that right there is even more. And then you got WTI. I don't know what WTI stands for, but that's very high return based off of 5 lots per day. All right. And this is what I have been able to be introduced to or welcome to. You can look at this video as well. And then all you got to do is share your referral link. That's all you got to do to participate with the Infinity program. I don't know what the requirement is. I don't know if you need to recruit 1 person, 2 people. I don't know what the requirement is. But the Infinity program is available for everyone to participate with RoboForex. All right. So, I also, when you talk about the referral program, I give 50% rebate back to all of the partners, whether you're my direct partner or, this right here is the direct partners right here. So you can see it's set to 50%. Excuse me. Then, you go to the sub partner. Excuse me. I can't stand this cough. I apologize. And sub partners are also getting 50% back. There are people that will not pay you back anything for referral commissions. So I believe in rewarding you for trusting me to use my referral link. So that's why I give back. And this referral commission is paid back every time that I'm paid. All right. So during the week, when I'm getting referral commissions, you're also getting referral commissions right back to your account, your affiliate account. Okay. So the one that I am following, we're gonna go over here to what was the investments and MT4 traders rating. I'm still following LightInvest here. Now the subscribers and everything went down. And the amount of funds that's deposited or copying the account has gone down, and it's with a reason for that. And the reason is we was doing good. Excuse me. Let me pause the video. I get back so I get rid of this cough. All right, so I'm back now. Hopefully, I can do better talking without coughing up so much. So let's go ahead. So you can see here. With LightInvest, which he was trading gold before, but he stopped trading gold. Now he's just trading euro to Great British Pound, USD to Great British Pound. Excuse me. So you see here we got up to a maximum of 109.53% growth, and then we took a loss. Then we was able to grow again, and it was during this day right here when his account suffered the biggest loss that it ever suffered. And there was multiple things that was going on that day. Stop loss was not being accepted. Take profit was not being accepted, as well as he was having some issues with what the broker was doing itself. When you got a lot of funds that's copying your account, there's going to be things that would happen with the trading experience that's out of your control. And that's the reason why you would hear or see these copy trading strategies or these PAMM accounts talk about once we get to a maximum of $250 million, something like that, $250,000, can't remember what it was. We will have to create another account for people to enter the funds into, because the market, when you got that so much money inside of one strategy that's copying the strategy, the market is like it becomes very strange with those funds, and they had to open up another account to be able to allow people to deposit into that without being having issues with like spread differences and not taking your top or your take profit and your stop loss because of the spread is got such a big gap, and that's what he was experiencing. He shared the screenshots and everything that was going on, and we saw the spread difference changing like crazy. And so like what he said, he had to get in contact with the broker to see what was going on. Of course, he got the same response back saying, the broker said that there's nothing wrong with on our end. Make sure that you're applying the right tools and everything like that to your trading strategy. So, but the screenshots that he shared with us, you clearly saw that the spread difference was different. You even saw on occasions when the take profit was hit, but it was not accepted at all. So what happened during this day right here? I did not end up losing, this much in my account. It was twice during that day. So it's early in the morning before the news announcement for USD. Yeah, we was in a loss. So I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and close up my trades and loss before the news announcement comes out. You know, so that way I don't have to worry about taking a bigger hit. And that's what many of us did. I put that announcement inside of my Telegram group. Many of us closed out our trades, or all of us closed out our trades in a loss. So after the news announcement, LightInvest ended up opening up more trades to recover the losses. And I'm looking at the trades, and this is the beauty about copy trading accounts. I'm looking at it. He was able to recover my losses from earlier that day and get me into profits to where I was able to get like I don't know, I think it was like a 0.5% return. And I closed them out myself. And I put the announcement inside my Telegram group. Hey, I'm closing up my trades right now. He was able to get, the return, get my account back into profits. I'm good to go. And many of us did, but some of us didn't. And then for those of you that's not in my Telegram group, you weren't paying attention to your trades, then you end up suffering this big loss. So what happened after that? A lot of people end up unfollowing the strategy and moving on to other ones. And they end up suffering bigger losses with those strategies. I stuck it out with LightInvest, and you can see what he's been able to do ever since. Because when you come back over here, you can see that he has less than $100,000 that's following his strategy right now. So he is not experiencing that issue with the spread difference at all anymore. Take profits are being hit, and then it's been accepted as well. Drawdown, when you look at the drawdown is mainly from when he suffered that loss. But his drawdown has not really been high. It's similar to what it was before he took that big loss. And it's been, as you see, it's been coming back down every single day. So when you look at LightInvest, let's go and bring it up. You have the opportunity to participate with this as well, and he charged 25% per week of the profits, right? And I have this link down here in the description of my video if you want to use my link directly to be able to get the 50% rebate from me. Now he also gives 30% back to affiliate commissions for everyone that uses his link directly. But me, I'm giving 50% back. And so that way that you be able to grow your account a little bit faster than normal as well. Now I started my account out, I think it was like around $117, and I have not put anything else back into it at all. This is the affiliate account. I don't know which one it is. Let's see, which account was it? Was it this one? Can't remember the account that I'm using. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so I started this thing. I think my account has now been grown to over $100, just over $100. I want to say I started out with like $117. Could have been a little bit less than that. And the reason why I start with so little is because of the fear of what has happened in the past with me with following strategies on RoboForex with these traders. They didn't have stop losses in place. Excuse me. Didn't take profit when they were supposed to take profit, and end up getting their accounts blown. So I'm like, hey, if he's able to get my account up to $500 profit in total, that give me like over $600, I take my $100 plus out and then just let the account go for what it does. Because the end game goal here is to be in with a legit strategy, first of all, to where you don't have to worry about waking up and saying that it's a blank screen. You can't access your account at all. There's another thing, if the account is blown, it's not the end of the world because you can add more funds into your account still and be able to follow another strategy, which I have done multiple times here with RoboForex. And then you have full access to your funds at all times. You can open up positions if you want to. You can close out the positions that the trader opens up. And you can see everything live being traded inside of your account. That's the beauty about RoboForex and the copy trading accounts that they offer for everyone to be able to follow for free. Of course, everyone has their own fees and everything that they require you to pay if they're able to get your account in profits on a weekly basis. So thing is, I love what LightInvest is doing here. He's been able to recover pretty much. Let's get back over here. Go to growth. And you can see he's been able to recover pretty much half of that loss from what we had back on the 10th of January. All right. Or the 9th or wherever it was, 11th of January, something like that. Right. And is it a guarantee? Absolutely not. Trading is going to have its ups and downs. That's how trading is. That's how it's supposed to be. There's no guarantees in trading. If you're involved with the guarantee, I don't care if it's cryptocurrency arbitrage trading. I don't care if it's stock options trading, forex trading, cryptocurrency, leverage trading or spot trading. It doesn't matter what it is. If you're a part of a platform that is guaranteeing you a return on a daily basis, weekly basis, whatever the case may be, you're a part of a scam. This right here is real trading. All right? And this is what you want to be a part of. You want to be a part of something that's real, legit, that has real sustainability, longevity opportunities attached to it. Those scams, they don't have any type of longevity or sustainability attached to them, because all they're doing is taking the new funds and paying out the old members. That's it. There's no trading going on at all. All right? But I want to do this video. It's been a while since I've done a video over LightInvest or RoboForex. I'm looking at other strategies as well. Just taking my time just to see how things would go once they get to a certain amount of funds that's copying their strategies. When they experience that same volatility or the same issues that David Frank experienced about 2 years ago and what LightInvest experienced this year, that's what I'm waiting to see. And I've made that known to another strategy that's I'm in contact with privately. It's like, look, I'm waiting to see how things go once you get to a certain amount of funds in that's copying your strategy. Will you be able to handle that situation better than what David Frank did, for example, or LightInvest as well? David Frank's loss, I only experienced like 8-9% loss that day when he lost, when his stock losses or take profits was not being accepted. But there was people that had their copy ratio, and when you come over here, when you're copying a strategy, you want to set it to proportional, leave it there. Then you got this ratio here. They had their copy ratio set at like 20, 25, 30, or 10, 15. So instead of them losing 8% or 9% like what my account has suffered, which I had my ratio set at 1, they end up losing their whole account. So the higher the ratio, the higher the risk, also the higher the reward. Man, can't stand this cough. But I keep my ratio at 1.30%. That's it. I'm not gonna go higher than that. I can go lower, down to 1%, which is the regular ratio that's automatically set. And then you'll be able to go ahead and be able to get a higher reward than what the trader is actually showing on his account. Okay, but that's what happened to people that are following David Frank. And I'm pretty sure there's people that had higher ratios than what I'm using. They probably had ratio 3, 4, 5, 6+%. And then they was able to lose a lot of their account, if not all of it. Because you look at this day, it went from 104.5% down to 53.94%. So you're talking about almost 50% loss. Yeah, that's this. Excuse me for all this coughing. It seems like the more I talk, the more I cough. This is my second video for the day. I was planning on doing more videos, but this is probably my last one. All right, so I need to go ahead and finish up this video. But anyways, you see what's going on here with LightInvest. I like what he's doing. I still communicate with him privately. Although he's no longer in any of the Telegram groups anymore, like mine as well. But he told me directly after he left out all the groups that I can still communicate with him directly. Due to the support that I have shown to him and understanding what trading is. There are a lot of people that can't accept the losses with the wins. And that's a part of trading. You gotta understand you're going to have losing days. I understand that this day right here was a big loss for many people, if not all of them, losing the funds. But I was able to prevent this from happening. I was able to come out of this day with a positive gain. So I don't have my account linked up to my FX book to show you what my account is doing directly. Maybe I'll do that another time for the next video. So that way you can see my account growth with LightInvest. Which I'm pretty sure mine is still well over 100%. Because I was able to prevent this from happening because I closed out the trades and profits that day. And then he had took a break to reevaluate what he's going to do, and he ended up deciding to continue to trade. So you can see here January 11th, and then he started trading again on January 22nd. Excuse me. And he's been doing good ever since then. He had this one day right here of a drawdown, which was like, what was that? Pretty much a 3% drawdown, or almost 3% drawdown. And then he was able to recover that and keep on growing the account. So I like what he's doing. I'm paying attention to other copy trading strategies right here on RoboForex right now to see how they're going to do. And once I make the decision on if I'm going to follow them or not, I'll let everybody know inside the Telegram group, my Facebook group, and also on YouTube. All right. But that right there wraps up what I want to talk about in this edition of RoboForex. Just reiterate, they had the Infinity program for partners, and also to remind you that I do have the private Forex opportunity. If you want to join that, they offer a low risk, medium risk, high risk, and gold trading strategy. So they got 4 different strategies that you can follow. They're going to be coming out with a cryptocurrency trading strategy, a US30 trading strategy as well later on this year. And they do Zoom meetings with the group to update everybody what's going on. So you'll be able to see the full team responsible for offering this private Forex opportunity. And you can ask them questions in those Zoom meetings as well. So if you're interested in that, if you can't join RoboForex, then you can get in contact with me privately on Facebook or Telegram, and I will point you in the right direction. All right, so that right there wraps up what I want to talk about in this edition of RoboForex. If you like what you heard in this talk, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to share this video with other people. If you're interested in joining RoboForex with LightInvest, I have my links down in the description of this video as well as in the comment section. If you heard RoboForex from someone else, please get back to that person. Use their referral link. Create your account, start generating passive income so that do the same thing. So thanks. That's all I have to say. Thanks for tuning in. I see you next time in this video. Take care, everyone.